Hello and welcome back, children. Today we are going to start a new lesson of your GK book, and the name is Accidental Inventions. Children, in this lesson we are going to discuss about some important inventions which were accidentally happened and the invention took place. The incident accidentally happened and the invention took place. So in this list, the very first one is microwave oven, which was invented by Percy Spencer, who was an engineer at a company called Raytheon. He was working with electric and magnetic waves. There are waves of electricity and magnet. The waves which are produced through electricity and magnet are known as electric and magnetic waves. And he noticed that a chocolate bar which was in his pocket was melted because of the heat produced by those waves. So he invented the microwave oven just by that accident, that accidentally those waves passed through his pocket and the chocolate melted. And then he invented the first microwave by passing those waves through a closed metal box. The next one is Velcro. Velcro was discovered by George de Mestral, and he was a Swiss engineer who noticed that there was some sticky seed which was stuck to his dog's collar, and he took him out when he was taking out his the dog for a walk. When he was taking out his dog for a walk, he noticed that there was some sticky seed in his collar. And after studying that seed under the microscope, the grip, how it holded that collar, he discovered Velcro, which is used on the same principle and is used to fasten the clothes and other items. The next is the stainless steel. The stainless steel was invented by the metallurgist. Metallurgist means the person who studies on the metals and discover metals. So he was a metallurgist named Harry Brearley, and he was given the task to find out a metal which does not rust and last longer. So after many attempts, he invented steel as he kept on discovering several elements, several metals, and he started piling it up. तो वो pile up होते होते it was kept there, and उसमें यही एक ऐसा metal था जिसमें rust नहीं लगा था, and finally he discovered stainless steel. The next one is artificial sweetener. You know, अभी बहुत सारे sweeteners are available. Instead of adding sugar or something else, we can add artificial sweeteners, which is also known as saccharine. And it was a Russian chemist named Konstantin Fallberg who was experimenting with preservatives while eating a bread roll. He was eating a bread roll and he was working on preservatives. Preservatives क्या होते हैं? जिसको फूड में डालने से फूड जल्दी खराब नहीं होता. And while he was eating that bread, वो bread मीठी मीठी उसको आ रही थी because उसके हाथ में कुछ ऐसा लग गया था. And then is what he discovered, the artificial sweetener. The next one is plastic. Plastic was invented by a US chemist named Leo Baekeland, and he was also experimenting with some synthetic substances, and he discovered that if it is heated and cooled, it forms solid which did not dissolve in water and is soft when heated. And he named this thing, he named the material which he discovered bakelite, and it was later renamed as plastic. The next thing is super glue. Super glue was invented by the American chemist Harry Coover, and he was also attempting to make transparent plastic gun sights to help soldiers in World War II to improve their aim. एम को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए प्लास्टिक की गन साइट्स बना रहा था, एंड देन he made this extremely strong glue, and this glue dried very quickly, and that is why it is known as super glue. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पावर है किसी चीज़ को स्टिक करने की, and it also dries very quickly. The last in this list is penicillin. Penicillin is a medicine used to fight bacteria in the body and was discovered by Scottish bacteriologist Alexander Fleming. He accidentally left the laboratory dish with the influenza virus outside and left for a holiday. Accidentally, उनसे गलती से वो जो ये आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो ना, ये डिश जो है वो लैब के बाहर छूट गई थी. And when he returned, he saw that although the dish had started to develop mold, वो सड़ रहा था, but there was a ring around the mold which had no bacteria. एक ऐसा भी था जहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया नहीं था. From the ring led to the discovery of penicillin, और इससे he got to discover penicillin. There are 4 other inventions mentioned in your book: Teflon, Post-it notes, X-ray, and Coca-Cola. Children, we will be just answering it out. Teflon was discovered or invented by Roy Plunkett. Children, मैंने 2 वर्ड यूज़ किया, destroy and invention. Invention वो चीज़ होती है जो आज तक कभी किसी को नहीं पता और बहुत नई होती है ना, तो उसको invention कहते हैं. But discovered यानी कि कोई चीज़ पहले से ही थी और उसके बेसिस पे अगर हम कोई चीज़ निकालते हैं, then it is known as discovery. For example, Columbus discovered America, right? उसने discover किया था, America already was there itself. He only discovered it, but the scientists invent the things which I mentioned above. The next is post-it notes, जो stick notes होते हैं उसको, and it was invented by Arthur Fry and Spencer Silver. Children, I have written the answers also so that you can write the correct answers in your book. Kindly do it in pencil. Children, after many reminders, you all are still doing and using pens. I prefer, children, you should always use pencil in the book. The next is X-ray. And X-ray was invented by Wilhelm Röntgen. Wilhelm Röntgen. The next is Coca-Cola, which was invented by John Pemberton. Okay, John Pemberton. With this, children, I hope you got to know about few inventions made by the scientist, which was done accidentally, and finally they were not finding it out, but accidentally through their experiments they concluded in the invention of certain things. With this, children, I'll ask you a leave. Thank you and have a good day.